Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the recoil spring in your string trimmer. I'll begin by removing the recoil starter from the engine. The starter is typically held in place with 4 screws. On many trimmers, you can just simply remove the screws and the starter will come right off. My trimmer is a little different. I'm going to need to remove the housings in order to remove the starter. So I'll do that first. With the housings out of the way, I can remove the last 2 screws that secure the starter and remove it. With the starter removed, now I can begin disassembling it. The first thing I need to do is get the tension off of the recoil spring. To do that, I'll pull the rope from the starter handle and untie or cut off this knot. Then I'll remove the starter handle and allow the rope to recoil into the starter housing. Now I'll remove the screw in the center of the starter. The screw secures all of the starter's components. Now I'll remove the rope from the pulley. The recoil spring will either be located in the pulley, like on my trimmer, or into the housing. In either case, to remove the old spring, I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers and grab the entire spring pack and pull it away from either the pulley or the housing. The spring is still under quite a bit of tension. You want to be careful when you do this that you don't allow the spring to come loose and hurt you. I'll toss the spring safely to the side to allow it to recoil. And that's how you can access and remove the recoil spring in your string trimmer.